to my YouTube channel. Okay. Welcome. Thank you guys. Please keep subscribing, sharing. If you enjoy my content, please. And there might be someone that might be interested in learning fashion designing that doesn't know where to start from. This is actually, I'm starting from the basics. So I'm not going to rush it. I'm starting from the basics actually. So as we graduate to advanced class and all that. So everything I'm teaching are just basic things to know in fashion designing. So I want you guys to have a strong foundation in fashion designing as I'm starting from the basics. So you might have someone that maybe does not have time to go for a physical class and all that. So you can actually watch my videos and they are well explained. I see that I'm taking you through step by steps. I'm not rushing it so that we all understand. So guys, keep sharing this channel. Let people subscribe. This channel cannot grow without you. Please channel me. Thank you guys. Alright, now so today we'll be making what? Basic sleeves. You know we've done our pattern for a gown, but we'll need our sleeve also for our gown also. So I think we should go through what the basic sleeves. So our basic sleeves. So this pattern you can actually use it to cut a long sleeve, a short sleeve, or a 3/4 sleeve. Any length you choose. But this is what our basic sleeves. So the measurements we need for our basic sleeve is actually what? Our sleeve length, armhole, and our round sleeve measurements. These are the measurements we need for our sleeve length. So I'll make a demarcation because the paper has rough edges. This place is rough, so let's use this place. This will guide us. So my paper is on fold actually. It's on fold. So our sleeve, first I'll measure what? Armhole. Our armhole is what? 7.5 divided by 2 is 15 divided by 2 7.5. So the first thing I'll be doing now is what? I'll be measuring 3 inches from this line. 3 inches. So this is where we are starting now from. 3 inches. Measuring 3 inches. So on these 3 inches that I measured is where I'll be placing my armhole measurement on, which is what? 7.5. This is it. This is 7.5. So now this space here now, I want to get the midpoint. The midpoint for 7.5 and the midpoint for the 3 inches. So my midpoint for the 3 inches is 1.5. 1.5. So I know it is between this line. So I actually want to get my midpoint also, where my 1.5 is. I want to get my midpoint for 7.5. And 7.5 is what? 3.75. So this is it. This is my midpoint for 7.5. So I want to confirm if it is actually on my 1.5 measurements. So this is it. This is the midpoint. So on this midpoint is where my slopes, I will guide my slopes. So this is my French curve. So you can see what I'm doing. I want to connect it to the first line above. So this is it. So you can see this is how I placed my French curve at first. So I want to connect it to my 6.5, sorry, my 7.5. This is my 7.5. So I'll turn my French curve like this. So I'm connecting. Can you see? So now the length of my sleeve. The length I'm using for my sleeve here will be 8 inches. 8 inches. I'm measuring from this line above. 8 inches. So it is on this 8 inch that I'm adding what? My round sleeve measurements. So my round sleeve measurements is 12. So I'll be dividing it by 2. So I told you my paper is on fold. So 12 divided by 2 is what? 6. 6 inches. 6 inches. So I'll be connecting from here to this. That is it. My sleeve is ready. So simple, right? Yeah. So assuming you are sewing a long sleeve, all you need is just was your long sleeve measurements, the round sleeve, then you connect. This is my cutter, same way also connect. So this is my full sleeve. So you can fold. It's looking like a sleeve, right? Yeah. So this is it. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye.